Hi friends, on this video how you can solve heating problem on Poco M6 5G if you are facing this heating problem or hot problem in your phones. Friends, I want to tell you that if you are facing this heating problem, just move on Play Store. After you move on Play Store, here you have to move on just your account. After you move on accounts, you are going to find under the account settings, so tap on setting. After you move on setting, from here the second icon under the setting is the network and preferences, so just tap on network and preferences. After you move on network and preferences, here is the app download preference. Tap on app download preference, and here you have to select this ask me every time or over Wi-Fi only. Not good, because this makes your mobile phone hang and hot. Okay, I mean heating problem. So that's why tap on ask me every time. Okay, and after that second icon also, don't auto update apps. If it will automatically update, then your phone is it's working automatically. That's why just select this auto update apps. On the third icon also, you have to select this don't auto play videos. Okay, just tap on okay. After this, you have to move on the back, and when you move on the back here, friends, you have to check your security, whether the virus is there under your mobile phone or not. Here's the security scan, and it's scanning now. A few items can be optimized. Boost speed. Okay, you can even boost also, or you can do the deep clean also. By doing this also, your mobile phone heating problem will solve. Okay, I have only 19% of storage space. I just click on the back button again. And friends, after doing this all also, if you are facing the problem heating problem, then it's okay. Friends, whenever you are watching YouTube videos, suppose I am watching my YouTube videos, whenever your battery is right now 3%, okay, but you are still watching your videos, and not only that, you are even charging your mobile phone, this make your battery hit. Okay, that's why please don't watch videos or don't play your mobile phones whenever your phone is in charging time. Okay, this is my opinion. If you are start doing this, then please don't do this. Okay. And friends, not only that, here another option is that here tap on setting. After move on setting, you have to move on system apps and updates. From here you can check the system apps and updates. Even you can check this security status also, and about furniture update option has came, so just update this one. And here many options that I want to show you. Okay, suppose from here I'm not using some apps, this example like Candy Crush, so I just uninstall it, because this also use battery. I just uninstall it. Okay, and here some apps that you cannot uninstall, then press this device and you can just uninstall. If you cannot uninstall, then here I'll show you. You just move on app information, then here you can do is the you can uninstall this. Okay, setting you cannot uninstall, I think so. Yes, you cannot uninstall. That's why you cannot live without setting also, so that's why you cannot uninstall the setting. But there's many apps that you cannot do, so you can storage, clear the storage. Okay, clear all data, tap on okay. By doing this also, your heating problem will solve 1%. Okay, example 1%. Just delete all the apps that you are not using. Okay, this is some few steps that you can solve your heating problem on your mobile phones. And friends, if it doesn't solve, then you can give me a comment, but it solved almost 50%. Okay, so friends, I hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.